In this video, I'll show you how to animate text using trim paths in After Effects. First, click on the Type tool and write your text. Now align the text to the center. Go to Window, Align, and align it horizontally and vertically. After that, increase the font size of your text. Then right-click on the text layer. Go to Create, Create Shapes from Text. Click on the small arrow beside Contents. Inside it, you'll notice each alphabet appears individually after converting the text into shapes. Now we only need the outline of the text, not the fill. So set the fill to none and add a solid stroke, keeping it white with a stroke width of around 4 px. Next, click on the Add button beside Contents and choose Trim Paths. Trim paths will appear below the alphabets, and here you can animate the start, end, and offset properties. Begin by animating the end. Set it to 0% at the start of the timeline, and at around 3 seconds, set it to 100%. When you play it back, you'll see the text drawing itself beautifully. Now animate the offset, which creates a scrolling effect through the paths. Set it to complete one round. After that, select all the keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease to smooth the animation. And that's it! You've created a clean and attractive text animation using trim paths. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.